Hi, this is Achilles from Storage. Today I'm going to show you how to install CT for the Opal Storage. First, please find CT in the Solex SKTL packaging, and it looks like this. One end is a CT clamp and the other end is the RJ45 connector. Please note down the pin sequence of the RJ45 connector as you will need to cut off for installation. Next, cut off the RJ45 connector. And wire through the meter gland. Once the CT wire is in the Opal storage cabinet, you will need to make RJ45 connector using a crimping tool. Please follow the exact pin sequence as you noted down before. The pin sequence is also in the CT installation guide we provided for you. Pin 1 is red wire and pin 8 is green wire. Once the new RJ45 connector has been made, please insert it into CT port on the SKTL. If the CT wire is too short, you can extend it using a standard Cat5 Ethernet cable and a coupler connector. Please follow the same pin sequence as you make the RJ45 connector on the CT cable. Once the extension cable has been done, connect them up on the coupler connector and the CT port on the SKTL. The other end is CT clamp, and it has to be connected on the active line between the meter box and the home electric meter. Please make sure that the arrow on the CT is always pointing to the public grid. For more detailed information, please also read the CT installation guide we provided for you. My name is Achilles from Storage, and I'll see you in the next video.